Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make this beautiful rose flower. Take a strip of ribbon, now we are going to fold it, make more such pieces and paste all of them one after another using hot glue gun. After that, put a green stick and then we're going to roll it like this, and look, your flower is ready. Paste its leaves and you can make more such flowers. Let's make a beautiful flower. We're going to make multiple folds like this. After that, we're going to put a needle in the center and we're going to twist it like this and you'll get a beautiful flower. After that, remove the thread and fix it using fire. Put its leaf and we're also adding pearls, and look, it is ready. Let's make sunflower today using these ribbons. Take these 3 color ribbons and we are making multiple cuts on the brown ribbon like this. Roll it and look, it is ready. Same way we are going to roll yellow ribbon like this. Now make petals using yellow ribbon and then we're going to paste all the petals like this. Make leaves and we're going to paste all of them together. Use a floral tape and look, it is ready. Cut this piece from a paper bag. It is easily available at your local store. You can get it from there. Now we are going to paste a stick inside using double-sided tape. Now fold the paper and make multiple cuts like this, and look at the beautiful leaf structure. Now open it again. We are going to cut it like this. Make multiple cuts and look, it is ready. You can paste it on a flower stick and look how pretty this is looking. We're going to make beautiful flowers using this purple ribbon. Cut a small strip and make petals like this. You can also fix it using fire. Make more such petals and combine all of them together. Now we're going to put this artificial stamen in the center. Add more layers of the flower like this, and look, it is ready. We can add leaves at the end. Let's make beautiful flowers using this crepe paper. Cut a strip of pink crepe paper. Now again we are going to fold and twist it like this. We'll get a pattern like this. After this, hold it from one corner and start rolling the flower like this, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to add more leaves and you can make more such flowers. Let's make a beautiful flower using this sponge. Cut 3 circles like this. Now fold all of them and combine them like this. We're going to tie them using a wire. Now color it using a sketch pen, and look, your flower is ready. We're going to put all of them on a stick like this and cover them using floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.